So, here what it is obvious today that America has defaulted on the promissory note insofar as the citizen of color are concerned. Now, what he said that America, the country of black and white, both the peoples. So America has failed. What to give them promissory note? Promissory note. What America has promised to black people. Okay, so for their citizens rights, so it's they are failed to give them. So it is, instead of honoring this sacred obligation, America has given the Negro people a bad check. In this sacred obligation, means holy or important time, America has given Negro people, means black people, what? A bad check, not good check, bad check, you understand that I told. And which has come back marked as insufficient. Suppose that someone has given you any check, and now you have gone to bank to cash the money, but in the bank it's mentioned message, you have got that insufficient, not any money. So like Martin Luther King saying that same American people, they means especially black people, they have got so insufficient one. But we refuse to believe that the Bank of Justice is bankrupt. But he said that we refuse to believe, means they are not going to believe that this is right. It means the the Bank of Justice is bankrupt. They are not going to believe, and we refuse to believe that there is insufficient fund. They know that sufficient fund is there. America has the power to give them equal right to black and white, but they are not doing. This is the, and now they have got the opportunity of this nation. So we have come to cash this check as a check that will give us upon demand the riches of freedom and the security of justice. So now we have come to the time, what check that we are going to get a check, and that check that ensures the demand the equal demand of equal opportunity of whom, of black people and white people, especially here he was talking about black people. Okay, the demand same of and the security of justice. And we have also come to the hallowed spot to remind America of this fierce urgency of now. And now today, this time we have gathered here to remind American country to this, and this time to engage what